Welcome to my channel.
I love it.
So here we are on a walk to a nearby street market. We want to quickly buy what we can eat. So follow us.
Seeing your face.
Yes, where we are following is a healing area. It's quite healing, and my son have so much weight. Toddler have weight at their stage, and I'm backing him because I want to walk fast.
We want to follow.
So, and we are interacting. We are interacting. Yes. So, come along with us. Come along with us.
See water. See water. I don't want to enter water because it's not my shoe. See water is pouring. Wow, wow, wow. It's stream. Say stream. Stream. Stream, stream, stream. Mommy, I have to climb this hill. Yes. See dog. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Doggy, doggy, dog. Don't mind this dog. Yes. Don't mind this dog. Okay. The dog does not hurt. Seems to be a friendly dog.
It does not work not for me. It's a water.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So we are at the street market here. This very shop here. Okay, things are quite cheap. Almost the same price as market. So if I'm not buying much things in the market that will require me to go to the main market, I usually come here to buy the few things that I need. Yes, although it's not everything that you get there, but the main thing, the most essential things you can get them. Yes. So the place is okay. Their prices are quite okay and affordable and cheap. Yes, and organic, because most times she goes to the farm to get these products. All these veggies that you're seeing, she goes to the farm. She buy them directly from the farm. Yes, like pepper, sometimes she go to help to pluck the pepper. Yes, so that is why I always come here to buy, because you see fresh and organic things to buy. You can see gari, different colors of gari, yellow, white, rice, beans, cucumber, and a lot of things. So I'm waiting for them to attend to me. This is only the woman and the daughter. People working hard to sell, like our children.
What?
So you can see the place is quite busy. It's very busy.
What? Eh?
So
Want to do what?
I'm going to be buying plantain and beans. That is what's in here. That's what's in here. Yes.
Have you checked it?
I see a lot of fresh things. So let me know what you feel about this very place in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this market, mini market in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel, and share this video out if possible. appreciate you all.
Yeah?
We are forever grateful for the
No,
love and
85, you
support.
remove your charges. Remove
Almighty
this
God
one
continue
money,
to
then give
bless
me
you
the
all in
balance.
abundance
This
and
one is
keep you all in good health and sound
one
mind.
tuber. Then you remove your charges. That is how much?
Love you.
Okay, that is
So one love,
that's
one love
1-4.
everyone.
So that means give me
One
7-1.
love.
7-1. Okay.
Yeah.
Give
Keep
me Pepe
loving.
200.
Keep loving.
Let's go with 200.
Yeah. So see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, strong and healthy.